Original Medicare is composed of 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. So I always tell people that I'm working with on the phone, get out a piece of paper and write this down, or if I'm meeting face to face, write this down, this is your homework. A, you work for your entire life, they take it out of your paycheck. So when you turn 65, A is already paid for. A covers everything in the hospital. B, you have to sign up for. B covers everything outside of the hospital, such as doctor's visits and oxygen and wheelchairs. B, you will pay for, and it will come out of your Social Security check every month if you're already on Social Security. And it's gonna be about $150 a month, depends on what year you're watching this, but it does go up every year. So then A, B, C. Medicare Part C is private Medicare. It's Medicare Advantage, and people call it by all kinds of different names because there's many different plans. It could be a PPO plan, HMO plan, a special needs plan. There's many different types of Medicare Part C, but it's private Medicare. It's still governed by the federal government. You still get all the core benefits that you would get if you just stayed on original Medicare, which is A and B under the government. But it's administered by a private insurance company. And in many cases, Medicare Part C has a drug plan built in. So it's called the MAPD. We said Medicare has 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. D is drugs. It's the beautiful thing that Medicare gave us is that actually lined up. D equals drugs. So you can buy a standalone drug program, and many people buy a standalone drug program because they bought a Medicare supplement, a supplement to supplement their original Medicare. Some people go with a C, with a Medicare Advantage plan that comes with the drugs already built in. So if you know A, B, C, and D, you understand the basis of Medicare.